Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this app called Pro Metronome. You can get it both on Android and on Apple. So I already have it installed. I'm going to show you how to change the settings, how to use the practice mode, and we're going to use Automator, and then also how to change the beats per bar. So the first thing, you click on the tools here, and I like to change the tone to 12 because that gives you a drum sound, which I find more appealing when practicing music. It's more of a musical sound. So when playing kartals with it and doing a standard slow beat, you will use this setting here, and you can start it at 100. That's usually a nice speed to start, and then we can use the practice mode here. So practice mode, you can set it to Automator or warm up. Warm up, you're going to have different times here that you can set it at. So you can have a start tempo, and then duration or this is the target tempo, so that will be your maximum. Then the duration where you're at half the speed, you can change the time. Here we have 2.5 minutes, 75% of the speed for 3 minutes, and then at the target speed, and here we have 12 minutes. That's what they put in automatically, so you can change that. That's interesting, but I like to use the Automator. So I do it by bar. So for every bar, when I practice, I would increase it by 1. So it's like a very gradual build up. And there are advantages of doing it in different ways, but this is nice for beginners to know how to gradually speed up. And you have the start tempo. I like to do 100. The max tempo, if you're going to switch to a fast speed, 500. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to have it increase rather quickly. So I'll have it increase by, let's say 15. So it's going to go very fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ja, ti, ti, ja, ti, ti. So on kartals. And then once you get to around 250, you can switch to the fast beat. And we're at 500. Now, if you wanted to go beyond 500, you could drop the speed down to half. So say 250. And then just play. You're continuing to play at 500, but the metronome here is at 250. Jatini, 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 jatini. And then I could increase it beyond. So I'm now at 550. Like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is change it to 6 beats per bar. So here you change the beat, and you got 6. And then we're going to be doing the Tehai, Tini, Tini, Ja. So, and this is useful for Tehais. So the standard Tehai, you're going to have a 6, and then a 4. But for practicing, you can just do it this way where you just have 6. So I'm going to also use the practice mode, the Automator. So again, when you practice, you can do it slower. You can have it 1, 1, 100, and 500 if you're doing kartals. So. Tini, tini, ja, tini, tini, ja, tini, tini, ja. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, I showed you how to play a slow beat with the kartals, and I showed you how to play fast beat as it increased, and then I showed you how to play the Tehai. Now let's try another 6 beat. So we're going to do Matan. So that's a rhythm pattern used in Indian classical music. So the beat pattern goes like this. So it'll be all open sounds. If you want to change it, if that makes it easier for you, that's also fine. And usually when you play this beat and it's very fast, all the beats will be open on the kartals. Okay, so now we did a few of the 6 beats. You can also do like a 5 beat. So in Indian classical music, when you're playing kartals, it would look something like this. And I'm going to slow it down. So you slow it down by turning this wheel here like that. You can also click on it like this, and then it does more minute changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you wanted to do a 7 beat like this in Indian classical music, it would look something like this. So by clicking on these boxes here, I'm changing the sounds that it makes. So different size box makes a different sound. So here, I'm just using the medium and then the small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have the 7 beat there. I demonstrated the 5 beat. There's another 6 beat that you could do, and it would look something like this. So this, in Indian music, we would call Lofa Taal or Dadra Taal. This is the kartal beat that is used in Damodarastakam. Ja, ti, ja, ti, ja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then so I showed you the Lofa Taal. Then we can go to a 3 beat. So this is used like as a Lohara for Dadra Taal and also Lofa Taal. And you can also even use it for Matan. Jati ti, jati ni, jati ni, jati ni, jati ni, jati ni. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. Just had some reminders going up. So those are the basics of how to use it. We went over changing the tone. We went over using the practice mode here. And then also changing the sounds here by changing the boxes. You can change the sounds. And then you can change the beats per bar. So I can make, put in a lot of beats, or I can just have like 1, 2, or 3. beats. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.